Life tip: if you have a tough decision, flip a coin, not to decide for you, but you will realize what you really want when it is in the air. In this video, we will see how to utilize the kitchen waste. Easy and fast method is by making a compost. So let's start. So this is today's kitchen scrap. This I'm going to grind it in a mixer by adding a glass of water. Let's add everything inside. Okay, and then let's add a glass of water to it, and make sure that there is no hard substance in this, or else it will damage your grinder blade. Let's grind it now, and here your compost is ready. Now let's pour it into another container. Here, can you see? It could be either this consistency, or you can add some more water into that as per your requirement. Then next step is, let's add it around the plant in the vase, as you can see, around the plant. Yes, and then we have to cover it up with a layer of soil, as you can see. So cover it up fully. This way plant gets nutrients easily and you will see them thriving. And always water your plants in the early morning to keep them fresh throughout the day. So I hope you like the video